Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your domain to the hosting in cPanel. Here you can see this is my domain and that is unipixel.com. So just go to the cPanel and this is the home page of cPanel. You just have to go for the domains option. You can search here in the search tool domains, okay, domains. And here you will find the first option. Here you can see create, manage and delete multiple domains. So click here and here you go. Now you have here option, you can see created domain, new domain, okay. Just click here and paste your domain and that is unipixel.com. So type here unipixel.com and here you can see the domain is already exists on this account because we have added it. After that you have to actually, when you add it, okay, then just click here submit, then it will be actually added. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching.